Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on counting the number of unique and distinct values in a single column across Excel. Such a case becomes necessary when you need to calculate the number of players who won a single event or multiple events, or the total number of players, or the number of unique items sold to a customer or distinct items sold to a customer, and similar situations. Here's an example. We have a list of sports and the names of players who won those sports. However, a couple of players won more than one sport. The number of unique values would be the number of players who won only one sport. The number of distinct values would be the total number of winners. How would we find this? The formula to find the number of unique values and distinct values has been explained in this post on the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link in the description. For unique values, simply copy paste this formula to whatever cell you need the value at. Then replace these words first cell from which you count the number of unique values to B3, last cell till which you count the number of unique values to B11, then again B3 and B11. It would be different in your case. And click outside. The number of unique values is 5. So 5 players won only one sport. If you wish to calculate the number of distinct values, which would be the total number of winners who won at least one sport, not only one sport but at least one sport, try this formula. Replace first cell from which you count the number of distinct values to B3, the last cell to B11, then again first cell to B3, last cell B11, and one final time B3 and B11. The number of distinct values is 7. Now if you need to find the number of players who won more than one sport, simply subtract the number of unique values from the distinct values, which would be 2. I hope this was easy to understand. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.